Hi viewers, welcome to AVP Properties Hyderabad YouTube channel. This side Vishnu. You are watching 4 BHK flat for sale at NCC Urban One in Narsingi Hyderabad luxury gated community apartments. This is 2630 square feet 4 BHK flat ready to move in. Brand new flat without interior. Price of the apartment 2 crore 50 lakhs inclusive all excluding registration. This is available on 6th floor. If you are interested for this flat, please contact on display number for more details to schedule your site visit, brochure, price sheet. Please contact on display number. Coming to project details, this project spread across 18 acres, 12 towers, 18 floors, 1300 apartments, exclusive 3 and 4 BHK apartments. Range starts from the 1535 square feet to up to 3383 square feet. Flats are available for sale. Now 1535 square feet is available first, second, third floors only available in block 7 and block 12. And also low density project 18 acres, just 1300 apartments and low rise gated community, just 18 floors. Well connected to the across the city behind the Nehru Outer Ring Road, exit number 18A, well connected to the Outer Ring Road. This is between two exit number 1 and 18A. And also it is close to Narsingi, Gachibowli, Gandipet, Financial District, High Tech City, Nanakaramguda. Very flexible location and close to Kokapet also. And also more advantage here you will get UDS more low density project and close to IT hub. In financial district there are many IT companies like Google, Wipro, Microsoft, Infosys, Cognizant, Capgemini, Cyient, and there are Amazon and US Consulate, ISB, and Tata Synergic Park. And also it is close to airport, well connected to the all international schools, malls, hospitals, and your daily needs. And close to Banjarils, Jubilees also. If you are looking in Narsingi location, affordable apartments, very big sizes, high UDS, low density community, please contact us to schedule your site visit. If you are watching first time AVP Properties YouTube channel, please subscribe our channel, like and share your friends and family members. Click bell icon, you will get future videos whichever we post in our channel, you'll get notification so that you will know easy. And also we are dealing all high-rise gated community apartments and villas in West Hyderabad. If you want to purchase, if you want to sell, please let us know your requirement. We will help to sell, we will help to purchase.